Today I am reviewing the Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease 68-ounce Slushie Machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hosting a backyard barbecue, planning a movie night with the family, or just craving a refreshing, ice-cold treat on a hot summer afternoon usually means making a trip to the local convenience store or local coffee shop. But what if you could recreate that exact, perfect slushy texture right from your kitchen counter without ever leaving the house? That is exactly what the Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease 68-ounce Slushie Machine promises to do. This innovative countertop appliance completely changes the game for homemade frozen beverages. Acting as a frozen margarita machine, a gourmet frappe maker, and a classic slushy dispenser all rolled into one beautiful, sleek black design. If you love frozen drinks but hate the hassle, the noise, and the inconsistent chunks of traditional blenders, this appliance is about to become your favorite new kitchen gadget. The absolute best feature of the Slush-Ease, and the thing that truly sets it apart from almost every other frozen drink maker on the market, is that it freezes your beverages completely without ice. Traditional blenders require you to dump in measuring cups full of ice cubes, which inevitably dilutes the flavor of your juice, coffee, or alcohol as it melts, leaving you with a watery mess at the bottom of your glass. The Iceman machine works entirely differently by using an advanced, built-in cooling system and a heavy-duty internal auger that chills the liquid directly. You pour your favorite liquid right into the tank, and the machine transforms it into a perfectly smooth, snow-like consistency with no ice required. Whether you are craving a classic cherry slushie, a trendy frozen rose wine, a rich morning iced mocha frappe, or a protein-packed smoothie, your drinks remain incredibly flavorful from the very first sip to the very last drop. When it comes to speed, this machine is remarkably fast, ensuring that you can start enjoying a cold, refreshing beverage as soon as possible. In fact, you can start sipping on a perfectly textured slushie in as little as 20 minutes after starting the machine. It is important to note a little bit of science behind how it works, as the drinks must contain sugar in order to freeze properly into that perfect slushy consistency. Sugar acts as a natural antifreeze, allowing the machine to create microscopic ice crystals rather than freezing the liquid into one solid block of ice. While exact freezing times can vary slightly based on the initial temperature of your ingredients and the room itself, 20 to 30 minutes is a standard baseline, making it fast enough to handle spontaneous cravings or last-minute party requests. Navigating the machine is incredibly simple thanks to a bright LED display and highly intuitive one-touch controls. You do not have to guess at temperatures or timers because Chefman has pre-programmed the machine with 5 distinct, specialized presets. With just the push of a button, you can choose optimized settings for soft drinks, juices, wine, beer, and cocktails, allowing the machine to automatically adjust the internal temperature and paddle rotation to achieve the ideal thickness for that specific beverage. For the adventurous mixologists out there, the machine also features a completely customizable option. This custom setting gives you full manual control over the duration and temperature, allowing you to experiment with innovative creations like frozen cold brew coffee to kickstart your morning, or an icy twist on Gatorade to rehydrate after an intense football practice. Capacity is another major strength for this countertop powerhouse. The machine features a spacious 68-ounce total tank capacity, with a recommended maximum liquid fill line of 48 ounces. Keeping the liquid at 48 ounces gives the beverage plenty of room to expand as it freezes into a fluffy slushie, effectively preventing any messy overflows. This volume comfortably produces 6 generous 8-ounce servings, making it perfect for entertaining a small crowd, family gatherings, or small dinner parties. When it is time to serve, there is absolutely no need to hunt for big scoops, spoons, or messy ladles. The machine is engineered with a professional-style dispenser lever on the front. You simply place your glass underneath, gently pull down on the lever, and the frozen drink dispenses smoothly and directly into your cup, making you feel like you have a commercial convenience store right in your home. Despite its impressive capacity, Chefman designed this unit with space efficiency in mind. It measures under 7 inches wide and just about 17.5 inches long, giving it a remarkably slim and compact footprint that slides effortlessly onto busy kitchen counters or bar setups without hogging all your space. Furthermore, the company solved the biggest complaint people usually have with frozen drink makers, which is the cleanup process. The Slushie's features a brilliant, built-in cleaning function that automatically cycles warm soap and water through the internal tank, doing all the heavy scrubbing for you without any added effort. For a deeper clean, the tank and the mixing auger detach completely from the base, allowing you to rinse them quickly in the sink or place them straight into the dishwasher. Backed by a powerful 200-watt motor and standard 120-volt power, this durable machine carries official certification from the Underwriters Laboratories of Canada, ensuring it meets advanced safety and long-lasting quality standards. It also comes with a full 1-year assurance provided directly by Iceman. When you consider the convenience of ice-free freezing, the flexibility of the 5 smart presets, the effortless lever dispensing system, and the automated self-cleaning cycle, the Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease stands out as an exceptional, high-quality appliance that brings pure joy, endless creativity, and restaurant-quality frozen treats right to your home countertop.